Let's make some minty cake pops. So we're going to use the Caroline cake mix, the chocolate fudge one. So in a bowl, put the mix, oil, water, and 3 eggs. The instructions are at the back of the pack. Mix everything together, then add your peppermint flavor, then put in a prepared baking tin and bake per the instructions. Once baked, allow it to cool completely before removing it from the tin. So run a butter knife or palette knife along the edges, remove the greaseproof paper. Then let's get to baking. See how springy that cake is. Anyway, we're going to crumble it up in a bowl. Then we're going to use some Caroline cake mix dark cream, which is a dark chocolate ganache. We're going to put about a cup into the crumbed up cake. Then we mix everything together. Then now we start forming our cake pops. So I'm using an ice cream scoop. You can use a tablespoon to measure out your cake pops. And then I'm using some lollipop sticks. If you don't have the lollipop sticks, you can just omit them altogether. So I'm using some bit of melted chocolate to stick the lollipop sticks into our cake pops. Then I'll put the cake pops in the freezer for about 15 minutes so that everything sets. Then finally dip them in some chocolate. You can add some fun toppings, sprinkles, desiccated coconut, and there you have it. Enjoy!